Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English speaking practice.
This conversation helps you practice the present simple tense in a natural and easy way.
Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences.
Let's begin.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every day.
Nice, I usually drink tea.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I eat breakfast with my family.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8:30.
Do you drive to work?
No, I don't. I take the bus.
That's nice. I usually walk to work.
Really? Do you live near your office?
Yes, I do. I live only 10 minutes away.
That's very convenient.
What do you do after work?
I usually go home and relax.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes. I usually read a book.
That's a good habit. What about you?
I often watch YouTube videos or listen to music.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I do. I study English every evening.
That's great. Practice helps a lot.
I agree. English takes time, but practice makes it easier.
Exactly. What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes, but I don't cook every day.
Same here. I usually cook on weekends.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes. I go to the gym 3 times a week.
That's good. I like walking in the park.
Walking helps you relax.
Yes, it does.
Do you use English at work?
A little. I use English in emails and meetings.
That's useful practice.
Yes, English is very important today.
I agree. Many people use English every day.
That's true.
Thank you for listening. We hope this conversation helps you practice English speaking and present simple tense.
Try to repeat the sentences. Practice every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.